There aren't any colors we recognize in the infrared spectrum, so we get to choose what the world looks like by selecting a color palette inside the camera. Different colors represent different temperatures, ranging from hot to cold.
A chart labeled Color Palettes. At left is a vertical bar labeled Cold and colored light blue. At right is a vertical bar labeled Hot and colored red. In between are 4 horizontal bars. Top bar is labeled White Hot with a color gradient from black to white. Second bar is labeled Black Hot with a color gradient from white to black. Third bar is labeled Iron Bow and shows a spectrum of colors from black to purple, pink, red, orange, yellow, and white. The bottom bar is labeled Rainbow and shows the visible light spectrum of colors from black to brown, purple, blue, green, red, orange, yellow, and white.
This is what I look like in the White Hot color palette.
View changes to thermal imaging and grayscale with no color. He stands behind a table with a dark fabric background.
Notice that my face is white because you're seeing my body temperature at 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. My clothes appear to be darker because they're masking a portion of my body heat. This is what I look like in the Black Hot color palette.
Image reverses the grayscale so that his face is now black, his clothes are gray, and the table and background are white.
And this is a color palette called Iron Bow.
Image is brightly colored with his face now bright white, his clothes are yellow, orange, and red, and his table and background are magenta and purple.
Now that we understand the basics, let's have some fun.